Friends, family, and loved ones, welcome to the chapel at Dragonfly Farms.
My love, I am so excited to take this next step with you. Since high school, when we first met, we have both grown and learned so much about life and about each other. I can't think of anyone else I'd rather spend my life with. You're a great cat dad, trivia partner, and my best friend. I love you so much, and I can't wait to marry you and start our lives together.
I am so excited we are getting married after almost 7 years together. There is no one else in the world I'd rather spend time with. I'm looking forward to many years of love and laughter, and even in the tough times, there's no one I'd rather have by my side.
I vow to help you love life,
I vow to help you love life,
to always hold you with tenderness,
to always hold you with tenderness,
and to have the patience that love demands,
and to have the patience that love demands,
to speak when words are needed,
to speak words are needed,
and to share the silence when they are not,
to share the silence when they are not,
to live within the warmth of your heart,
to live within the warmth of your heart,
and always call it home.
and always call it home.
We bonded through my drawing skills, but what was really the icing on the cake is how Savannah is the one that has helped shape me into who I am today with her empowering personality. She's just so radiant and loving and passionate, just like the sun. Her inviting smile draws people in and brings them together, just like tonight. I cannot express how grateful I am for Savannah and for her being so patient, understanding with me, pushing me out of my comfort zone and to grow as a person.
I vow to help you love life,
I vow to help you love life,
to always hold you with tenderness,
to always hold you with tenderness,
and to have the patience that love demands,
and to have the patience that love demands,
to speak when words are needed,
to speak when words are needed,
and to share the silence when they are not,
and to share the silence when they are not,
to live within the warmth of your heart,
to live within the warmth of your heart,
and always call it home.
and always call it home.
By the power vested in me by the state of Arkansas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jack, please kiss your bride. I now present to you the newly married couple, Mr. Lester and Mrs. Ralph Lester. Woohoo!
Watch the kids grow up and grow together, and I can honestly say there aren't two people who are more perfect for each other. Jack, I love you. Savannah, welcome to what little of a family we have. Cheers, everybody.
I will always thank her for everything that she has done for me. And I appreciate all the love that you show me, and I will never, ever stop trying to pay you back for all of the great things that you have done for me. I really appreciate you and love you from the bottom of my heart. You are one of my best friends, and you will always be my best friend. I love you. I love you, Jack, and congratulations to both of you. I am so happy for y'all.
I'm so blessed and thankful to be your dad, and blessed to have a wonderful son-in-law.